Hello everyone, welcome. Looking to earn income with flexible hours? Becoming a Lalamove driver is easier than ever. Whether you have a motorcycle, sedan, MPV, or a truck, this guide will walk you through the entire registration process. So guys, firstly, of course, you will need to download the app. Begin by downloading it from your App Store or Google Play Store. Also, you can sign up from the website where I am now. After that, open the app and complete the sign up form by entering firstly your mobile number, full name, vehicle type, driver's license number, and vehicle plate number. After registration, you will need to complete an online training module that covers Lalamove's delivery guidelines and best practices. Your exam results will be available immediately within the app. To verify your account, upload the following documents through the app. Firstly, professional driver's license, profile photo with a plan background, vehicle photos showing the plate number, NBI clearance or police/barangay clearance stating no derogatory record, official receipts and certificates of registration of the vehicle. For four-wheel vehicles, sales invoice if OR and CR is unavailable, LTFRB case number or provisional authority. Once your documents are submitted, Lalamove will review your application. After approval, you'll need to settle a cash bond and initial top-up to activate your accounts. You'll then be ready to start accepting delivery orders and earning income. Enhance your experience by joining the Liga NG MGA Bossing Facebook group. Also, if you want more information. And that's it, you're now ready to hit the road with Lalamove as a driver. Drive safe and happy delivering.